Welcome to another episode of Pistons of Fury. In this episode, I reorganize my garage, paint a quarter panel, wash my car, turn it around, and get ready for the LS Mopar engine swap. Oh man, so that was a productive episode. As you can see behind me here, the wagon is running. Well, kind of driving, but it still overheats and the bottom bearings are bad in the engine, so it still runs, it moves. I was able to turn it around, washed it. I painted the rear quarter, which is something that's I've been just putting off and it's been holding me up on this entire project. And you can kind of see it right here, although you got a better shot in the actual video. And I posted a nice one on Instagram, and I might post a few more if you're into that, looking at primer fenders kind of thing. So what's up now? Well, you also saw I completely reorganized the garage. I've got one of these cheap plastic tables right here for right now. I'll eventually have a workbench here, maybe like a little welding table or something, but this is going to be okay for now because I just need a place to stage all this stuff that is not the hood of the car, because, whoa, the hood of the car is coming off and it will be living on top of the car for quite a while I do this engine swap. So that's kind of what's up for the next phase on this car. So we have to basically take off the hood. We've got to take off the grill. I've got to get a bunch of stuff out of the way. We are going to pull that engine. I'm going to diagnose what went wrong with it and show you guys. And then I'm going to try to get rid of it on Craigslist along with the 727 transmission. So if you are in the Northern California area and that kind of stuff interests you, like if you got a Mopar or you're trying to like throw a little dart together or something and you want that Mopar stuff, hit me up. I know there's not too many of you guys out there watching this channel quite yet, but I hope that changes. But anyway, if you know somebody, whatever, just let me know. Happy to get rid of it. Not looking to like turn a profit. You can literally just come and take it, and I will even help you load it. Yeah, so that's what's next. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I just got to get used to this new setup. It's pretty cool. I've got everything over here. I moved the motorcycle over there, so there actually will be a project involving that pretty soon, but I'm going to stop swinging you guys around because it's probably really dizzying to watch. But anyway, thank you for sticking with it. I know that was like a long time-lapse episode, but that's just the best way to put out this kind of content without any kind of like crazy fancy editing and all that stuff. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Fun stuff coming up. We're doing some engine swap.